What's the meaning of cheerful? Cheerful. Cheerful.
Cheerful. Cheerful. The term cheerful refers to a state of being happy or having a positive disposition. A cheerful individual tends to be optimistic, exuberant, and lively, often displaying a smile and exhibiting laughter. Their positive outlook on life can be infectious and may inspire joy in others around them. Such individuals are usually resilient, facing challenges with a positive mindset and maintaining their optimistic outlook even in the face of adversity. Overall, a cheerful person embodies positivity and radiates joyfulness, making them a pleasure to be around.